Marcin Pasterski, Product Engineer in Manufacturing Technology and Zero Emission Solutions, Fortaco Group, Wrocław. So the machine that you can see behind us is one of our biggest investment and challenges we had to face during my professional life at Fortaco and also people that we are working together. The biggest challenge of this machine was to merge like over 30 different part numbers into one machine, including completely new design of the boom for the ridge stacker machines. We managed to do that within the team of Lincoln Electric and the Fortaco team of Wrocław factory. Machine allows us, as mentioned previously, to weld different parts for different customers, including the modern technologies, the latest development of submerged arc welding in the world that was delivered by Lincoln. And it allows us to improve efficiency of the process as well as the quality of the process. We're able to reduce times, loading times of the machine, setup times, but and also safety. Significantly, we increase safety of the machine compared to the old version that we had installed in a different place before. This machine allowed us to weld 4 welds at one time instead of 2. What gives significant increase in the effectiveness of the process, in the productivity of the systems, but also reduced quality problems that were mainly distortion on this product.
Mariusz Warszawski, Lincoln Electric Automation. In cooperation with Fortaco team, Lincoln Electric were able to design a bespoke solution for the customer. Here you can see the Gantry and Boom, which allows the use of 1, 2 or 4 sub-arc welding heads at the same time. We are able to set polarization DC+, DC-, AC or AC square wave. AC square wave allows us the possibility to reduce the overall welding time by up to minimum. Additionally, one control panel with full view on the welding place on the screens allows to reduce the number of operators working at the same time.